Hello. Magandang po sa ating lahat. Unang-una, napasalamat po sa ating Panginoon at bigyan tayo ng...
Maraming salamat po ating Barangay Captain na si Ben Bacalba. And beforehand, bago pa rin tayo sa club, webcaster for today. Ang lamang makarinig ninyong boses mula umaga hanggang gabi. Kaya naman, masama-sama tayo dito mga kapatid mga kapatid.
Yes, there we go. Is it a color clash? Are we gonna get a photo of members and opportunity sports? Especially wala na silang counter towers here. Secondary towers remaining. Mira, they globally aggressive early on in the game. TPL has a response on Atlas here. They still need to be careful though. Alam nila na hindi pa sila dito. Ramos yan. Just try on. See if they can find it through.